Home equity loan, which is commonly referred to as a HELOC, is a loan that allows you to borrow money against a certain percentage of equity that you may have in a property. Many banks will allow you to borrow up to 80% of that equity. A HELOC is a great financial instrument because you only need to pay back what you use. If you don't use any portion of the home equity loan, then there is no repayment because it is basically a line of credit. However, if you do use a portion or all of the credit line, then the repayment process begins and you are expected to pay back the HELOC on a monthly basis. Home equity loans are used for a number of things, one of which includes paying for additional repairs or upgrades to the home. A number of investors have used the HELOC as a method by which to acquire additional properties. Others will get the loan in order to consolidate bills or pay off other debts. One of the major considerations to make before getting a home equity loan is whether it will be financially beneficial to you. Even though a home equity loan could come in handy, the fact of the matter is that it will add to your debt load. And because this type of loan is collateralized against your property, if you aren't able to financially maintain it, you could end up losing your home. Although this can be a great financial instrument when used properly, make sure that you are prepared before you jump into this kind of investment.